Welcome back to Google Food, guys. Today, Brazilian pastel. This is good and addicting. Check it out. In order for us to make pastel, we first need to start off with the dough first. And here are all the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. We got flour, water, vodka, salt, oil, and vinegar. You can definitely do this by hand, but if you have a mixer, it makes life so much easier. Just throw everything inside, mix it up, and your dough is done. Now just let the dough rest for 15 minutes and we are ready to roll. My mixer comes with this attachment for rolling pasta and this works perfectly for this, but if you don't have one, you can definitely use a roller and roll it out by hand. Now here's the awesome thing about this dough. You can make a bunch of it just like this and use parchment paper and it will last in your freezer up to 1 year. And whenever you're ready to eat, just make your pastel and eat them up. You have several options for the filling. Here are some traditional ones. My best and favorite thing to do is use all my leftover meats and make some pastel and fry them up. We got the kids' favorite, mozzarella cheese and cream cheese. And then we got Guga's favorite, which is ground beef. And the wife's favorite, ham and cream cheese. Now all there's left to do is fry them up and enjoy. Let's do it. This is canola oil and frying them up at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, Angel, we got our empanadas here, or in Brazil we call it pastel.
Pastel.
Pastel, that's right. So, alright, we have a lot of different flavors. We got beef, ham and cheese. So let's give it a try. Go for this one here. I'm gonna go for this one. I think this one is beef. Let's open it up. Ooh, it's hot, careful. Still steaming hot. Ooh, yeah, look at that, boy.
Ooh, this one's cream cheese.
Let's go for it. You ready?
Ready.
Alright, let's go. That dough is so good, huh? Wow, guys, it's really good.
It's better than the bakery near my house.
No, guys, the great thing about it is that you can use all your leftovers. Like, let's say you make a huge pulled pork and you have leftovers, put it in the empanada, brisket inside, get creative. You can literally put anything on this. And the best part, how you like, Angel?
Where's the pork, man?
I know. Well,
that sounded good.
We didn't have, well, last time we made pulled pork, there's none left. So another thing that you can do is that you can leave the dough in the freezer for up to a year. And I have done it and it lasts just fine. So when you take it out, just let it thaw for a little bit, put whatever it is that you have left and fry them up. It's delicious. Do you agree?
Came out awesome.
That's the pastel, guys. This is how we make it in Brazil. We have it all the time. Just like here in the United States, we have burgers, we have pastels, coxinhas, which is like little appetizers that we eat all the time. I hope you give this a try and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more Brazilian stuff, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.